go in the other direction. Okay, so I'm gonna take the right hand. Oh, very good. Alright. So what I'm gonna have them do now is I'm gonna have you go ahead and I'm gonna get you some food. Go ahead and touch it. So if you want to touch this bird right here, you can. Anywhere you like.
Pet him.
Pet him, Isaac. Anywhere behind the bowl. Great job. Alright, so now I'm gonna have to do a back tail walk over. You're gonna help me with this. We're gonna take our left hand like this. Follow him. And then what we're going to do, can you bridge, Diana? We're gonna make a swooping motion like this. Tail walks. 1, 2, 3, go. Perfect. Alright. You ready for level 2? Yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna have you stand right about here. Remember, don't go. You guys ready? I'm gonna have them sing to you first. Alright, here we go. Yes, we need to get wet. There we go. That's level 2. Alright, buddy, now when you do it, you're gonna have you spin in a circle, just like this. They'll dance with you. Go ahead. Turn. There you go. Very good. When I touch them? What's that? Yeah, sure. March and foot. Very good. Can I go in? Come on, it's hot. You want to get a water?
That was definitely amazing.
No, that's a lot. It's a lot of water, and a lot of guests don't expect it that to be that much.
Yeah.
No.
They're so powerful.
Yeah, they are. So that muscle that is near their tail flukes is called the peduncle. It's one of the most powerful muscles in the animal kingdom.
Wow.
Yeah, it's very, very strong.
That's amazing, because I've seen them jumping out the water. They do the flips.
Yeah, exactly.
The triple somersaults.
It's kind of like a propulsion system. They can go. That's what allows them to go to that 22 to 28 miles per hour speed. So,
wow.
Yeah, it's a really big driving force.
Like, well, how big do they really get, the dolphins?
Weight-wise, adult bottlenose dolphins about 1,400 pounds. Anywhere an adult could be from 330 to 1,400 pounds. In terms of length, I'm not positive, but you're looking at about, I want to say about 6 to 8 feet easily.
So you're talking about 1,400 pounds of muscle.
What's that?
It's 1,400 pounds of muscle.
Yeah, it's a lot of muscle. They do have a layer of blubber too. Because they're dolphins and they live in more temperate climates, they're more, they live in more like areas like Florida, so the water's more higher of a temperature. So here this is like 72, which is nothing for them to like have to worry about, because they are warm-blooded, but they don't have to consider like thermal regulating as much as like Arctic animals do.
Oh, so, because of the blubber.
Right, exactly.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Wow, well, this is definitely fun. I enjoyed it.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, guys. Absolutely.
And Isaac, say bye to the Dolphins.
You're welcome, buddy. You did a great job. Future trainer, I promise.
Good job, Isaac.
You did awesome. All right.